planet Earth. Over time, man has adapted to their environment by creating tools to help perform their tasks. As time progresses, the need for different types of tools arise, with the technology available to design and create new tools constantly evolving. We're StatGear, and over the past few years we've shipped over 10,000 products to our Kickstarter backers. In 2015, we successfully funded the original BitzBlade with over 700 backers. Introducing the BitzBlade 2.0, an evolved multi-tool designed with your everyday needs in mind. The BitzBlade 2.0 has 26 functions, such as 9 double-sided S2 steel bits, 440C stainless steel knife blade, a box cutter and a scraper, a bottle opener, a pry bar, a hex wrench, a carbide tip window punch, and an LED light. Machined from an aircraft-grade aluminum, the BitzBlade 2.0 is super strong, yet weighs less than 3 ounces. Designed with a middle compartment to store one of the 3 interchangeable tools. One of the 9 double-sided bits can also remain within the tool, staying secured by an internal magnet. The BitzBlade 2.0. Join the evolution!